where I work.
Let's get my dolly downside. But my dolly is round. And the machine is square.
And? Can't you do something about it?
But sometimes machine is round, sometimes machine is square.
Look, let's just get a cloth and put it underneath the thing and drag it through the door, okay? Ça va?
Okay. I pull and you boys push.
Okay.
Lord, oh, me got to go. Me got to go. Hey, man, what you doing there? Me got to go.
Hey, Melody.
Hey, me ass, man, let me through. Me got to go use the bathroom.
Are you serious? Can't you see that we're trying to move a washing machine down the stairs?
Can't you see if you don't be letting me through, you be washing machine in the whole damn floor, huh?
You expect me to move this washing machine back inside just so you can pass?
Man, don't make me get over there.
Madam, why the hell don't you use our bathroom?
He don't use nobody else's seats but my own. Especially you people.
And just what do you mean by
You
that?
know just what the hell I mean by that. Now move this damn machine now. You move this machine now, man.
You expect me to move this machine back inside just so you can pass?
Oh, move it. You shut up, Gertrude. You don't have to pee. I just got to act like that. Oh, just move that machine before I kick it and break the machine.
You're evil.
Oh, evil, but I be peeing in me all dirty.
Go back to where you
Yeah, don't you worry.
Just go back to where you
Before I kick it, I kick the machine down the stairs.
Just squeeze your ass on back.
Just move the machine down, Mom.
Just move your ass on.
Oh, thank you, baby. You're so sweet. Oh, you know me really gonna be missing you, you know?
Go ahead.
See, you're so
Go upstairs and take your bath. Just get out of the
Because I got to go pee.
Go ahead.